Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lifestyle New. This time I talk about BTS Jimin ranked most handsome face by ARMY. V Jungkook, Jin and Suga grab spot in top 10. BTS Jimin ranked most handsome face in the K-pop ideal. BTS Jimin has been declared as the most beautiful and handsome face in the K-pop world. This has been declared by an account on X which goes by the name Top 100 K-pop. One netizen participate and vote for their favorite K-pop ideal. According to the tag, Top 100 K-pop wrote on next Top 200 most beautiful handsome faces in K-pop. Jimin, congratulations! Soon after the announcement was made, ARMY congratulated the K-pop idol with heartfelt wishes. And ARMY wrote, "I think Jimin got that whole package going on. He's got the look, sure, but he also seemed like a genuinely good dude. Yeah, now and that kinda shine through and makes him even more attractive in my humble opinion. Good for him and for getting the top spot." Another ARMY wrote, "Congratulations, Jimin. He truly is the most beautiful, handsome man I had laid my eyes on instead and out. He's gorgeous. Why is he so handsome? He's melting my heart away right now. He's so gorgeous and handsome, Mama Mia. I'm in love," wrote an ARMY. Other than Jimin, BTS member Vyaka, Kim Namjoon, Jin Suga, and Kim Taeyong and the Jungkook have grabbed spot in top 10 among other K-pop idea. Here the top list and most handsome faces in the K-pop: BTS Jimin, BTS V Jungkook, Exodus Jian, BTS Jin and the Super Junior Yeonjung, BTS Suga, Super Junior Jonghae and the Inhappen Naiki, TXT and the Hyungae Koi. BTS Jimin is currently serving in the military. He entered the South Korean army through the buddy system. According to his, two people can enlist in the military and serve as each other companion. Jimin was recently assigned to the Artillery Fire Director Center within the 5th Infantry Division. Among his other achievements in the military, he was recognized as an outstanding trainee. The K-pop idol went on receiving a commendation award from his division commander. Not only this, Jimin was honored with the title of Special Warrior or Special Grad Soldier after completing his KCTC training. BTS Jimin and the military discharge enlisted the South Korean military on December 12, 2023. He is expected to be discharged on June 11, 2025. Other BTS members, including Jungkook, RMV, are expected to be discharged around the same time in June 2025. It is pertinent to note that Jin and J-Hope have been discharged from the military and Dio are focused on their solo endeavors within the group union in the June this year. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.